In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members in Microsoft Teams with a simple step-by-step guide. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, the process is the same. Let's dive right in. First, open Microsoft Teams on your desktop. You'll find it either in your Applications folder on a Mac or your Programs list on Windows. Once Teams is up and running, focus your attention on the left sidebar. Here you'll see a variety of icons that serve different purposes. Our focus for today is the Teams icon. This is where you manage all your team-related activities, so go ahead and click on it. Now that you've clicked on Teams, you'll see a list of all the teams you're a part of. Locate the specific team to which you want to add new members. Take your time to find the right team. Scrolling through the list is straightforward. Next to your chosen team's name, there will be an icon showing 3 dots arranged vertically. This icon represents the More Options menu. Click on it, revealing a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Add Member. A new window will pop up, which allows you to enter the details of the person you want to add. You can type in their name, email address, or group name, depending on what information you have available. Teams is designed to be intuitive, so as you type, it may suggest contacts to simplify your search. Once you've found your intended member, you'll need to decide on their role within the team. Do you want them to have regular member privileges, or should they have owner rights, which allows them to manage and make changes to the team? Choose the one that suits your needs best. Finally, with all these details filled in, click the Add button. After that, select Close to exit the pop-up window. At this point, the new member will receive an invitation to join the team. It's sent directly to their email, making it easy for them to accept and get started. And there you have it. You've successfully added a member to your team in Microsoft Teams. Remember, adding members is a great way to strengthen collaboration and ensure that all necessary people have access to the resources they need. If you're new to managing teams, consider exploring other features like channels and meetings that can help streamline your workflow further. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching.